More advanced machines, high demand for machine uptime, physical access constraints, and increased IT security policies. These are the challenges that machine suppliers and factory owners need to solve together. Secomea presents a solution: remote access to industrial equipment that ensures machine effectiveness and uptime. With Secomea, you can access any type of industrial equipment remotely. It's a fast and easy solution, conforming to the highest IT security standards, used by more than 7,000 machine suppliers and factory owners worldwide. The solution consists of three main components: an IoT gateway called Site Manager, used to connect and get access to the remote equipment and optionally collect machine data if required; an intuitive web portal called Gate Manager, where accounts, user roles, and IoT gateways are managed; and finally, an access client called Link Manager, operated from a technician's PC, tablet, or smartphone. Let's demonstrate. The technician receives an email with login details for a cloud server. This can be a permanent or temporary account. The technician logs into an overview of the equipment accessible to the Link Manager user, organized by region, location, machine, and specific PLC or HMI. When connecting for the first time, client software is automatically installed on the technician's PC and activated when the user connects to a device. The technician now has a transparent VPN connection directly to the device by Ethernet, USB, or serial connectivity. The technician can use any application installed locally on the PC for troubleshooting or programming the remote equipment. The technicians can also remotely monitor from a tablet or smartphone by a standard web browser, which gives easy access to web interfaces or VNC visualizations. Leverage the power of remote access to provide effective support, enhance your service, and increase uptime with Secomea.